All right, so this is RafterOne's RLM and B2B demo for self-service subscriptions. This is us tying in revenue lifecycle management to a B2B commerce storefront so that users can have a touchless self-service subscription experience. So RafterOne, we have over 500 Salesforce experts, over 1,100 certifications. We have over 100 sites that are live leveraging revenue lifecycle management, previously on CPQ and now using the new RLM. So let's go ahead and jump into the demo. So here's a storefront for Lauren Bailey. Lauren Bailey is an existing customer. She's going to go ahead and look at a particular product. Now, when Lauren drills into this product, she doesn't see any pricing and a buy now button, but because she's an existing customer, she has the ability to manage the subscription. So in this case, she's going to go ahead and click on this. This takes her to her subscriptions, which are tied into the assets in revenue lifecycle management. Now, as an existing customer, she has a couple different options. She can add additional licenses, she can renew, she can do an add-on. All of this is done through self-service, tying into RLM. And so she's going to go ahead and add the licenses. So instead of having one license, she's now going to have a second license. Now, if she wanted to, she could go ahead and request a quote and have it build out a quote in RLM. But in this case, she just wants to add that additional license. So she's going to go ahead and go through a checkout. In this case, she's going to go ahead and pay versus on terms. So this is her order confirmation for that additional license. But the power of RafterOne's accelerator, leveraging RLM for self-service subscriptions, is what happens when we look what's happening internally in Salesforce. So we're going to see here on the asset record for this particular product that she had an initial sale of 1 and she increased her quantity to 2. So this is where that contract is being updated. Okay. So this is where that contract is being updated. It's still within that time frame, but she now has 2 licenses instead of 1, and this allows the flexibility of being able to add additional licenses. Now, when we have a different customer login, okay, this is not Lauren, this is Motors Inc. user, they're going to go ahead and see a membership and they're going to be able to see the different pricing options. In this case, it's a yearly price. But again, this is tying together the back end of what's happening in RLM with the products and the assetized ability to be whether it's yearly or monthly, and the power of being able to push all of this data from revenue lifecycle management into B2B commerce so that customers could have this self-service experience.